Okay, if you know you are really interested in making money online, maybe through ClickSense platform, and you don't just know your way, you don't know how to go about it, and you are ready to follow my leading, just hit my DM. I'm not talking about the comment section. Hit my DM and tell me I'm interested to learn from you how to make money on ClickSense. Mind you, this learning we are doing is not just you're not coming to learn how to do task. Anybody can do task. You are coming to learn how to make the real money on ClickSense. If you have registered before, don't even bother coming because I'm not teaching who has registered before. Go and meet who registered you to teach you. I want to teach you, but I've not registered before. So the criteria is, first of all, you register under me. You will be in a separate group, my own private group on WhatsApp. That's where I'll be teaching you. We will learn with each other how to make money online, how to make money using this ClickSense. And you're going to be my own party because by God's grace, after making money in this ClickSense, then we'll shift to another platform. As in, that's how we'll just be going like that. The way I'm making money from different platforms, that's where you'll be taught how to make money from different platforms. Do you understand? So if you're interested, I said it in the beginning, I'm not looking for who is just coming to learn how to do task. No. You want to learn the real way. Yes, you can make money from task. But the truth is, if you really want to make the real big money you are seeing, the millions you are hearing about every time that we're making from ClickSense, then it is not just task. It is not just task. It is more than just task. So if you are really interested in doing that, first of all, you have to follow me, like this video, share to 2 or 3 friends, then come to my DM and tell me I am interested in making more money from ClickSense. The criteria is that you should be ready to register under me. How much do we use in registering for ClickSense? It is 6,000 naira. But since you are coming as a new person that wants to register, I'm going to give you a very slight discount. But to buy real coupon code, to buy the coupon code for ClickSense is 6,000 naira. Then if you are there and you've already registered, you just need a coupon vendor that is trusted, a coupon vendor that is tested, a coupon vendor that is legit. Let me be your plug because I'm a vendor in ClickSense. Do you understand? So I'm waiting for you. Come. And still, if you've already registered for ClickSense and you cannot join this group again, you can come. We'll register in another platform. You understand? But this group of people that want to teach how to make the real money, how to turn this online space to their market, to their money well. How to turn this online space to their oil well. Criteria, you must be following this account. Like this video, share to 3, 4, 5 friends, then come to my DM. I'll be waiting for you. Bye.